two people that have changed the direction of your life? Who are two people?
Two people that have changed the direction of my life. I would probably say, outside of family, obviously, I'd probably say my entrepreneurship professor in grad school.
Okay.
I was like your textbook, entrepreneurial kid that like, I just struggled to really find my niche in school. Mm-hmm. And I always just kind of thought like, I'm either not good at this or something's off here because I was not very interested in all of it. When I got in my entrepreneurship course in grad school, it's like a light bulb went off where, he was more interested in how we're wired and our own giftings and how to use that in a productive way in life than he was trying to get us to be a certain way and teach us a certain formula. And that just changed my life. So my entrepreneurship professor just kind of recognizing like everybody's got their own giftings. And let me think. I'm trying to think of my second person that's changed. Is the question changed my life the most?
Yeah, it changes just the direction of your life. Doesn't have to be most. But
changed the direction of my life. Probably my business partner.
Okay.
My business partner showing up with that money and saying, hey, I want to start a real estate business. Yeah. I mean, I think I would have done real estate anyway, but I don't think I'd be nearly as far along as I am now. So.
Yeah.